as the curtains fall on the first edition of the Get Set Parent Children's Literature, Art and Music Festival with Vishwarang, I can't help but go back in time to 2 months ago when we first conceptualized this entire show of 8 days. What would I do without the immense love and support that I got from all of you, my wonderful audience? You have been tuning in every day and witnessing 21 amazing sessions and spreading the word around. What more could I ask for? I'm so incredibly thankful to all the wonderful authors, artists, musicians, resource persons and others who came together and saw our vision to do something as spectacular as what you've been witnessing over the last 8 days. We at the Get Set Parent and Vishwarang team promise to be back next year with the second edition, bigger, better, more spectacular than the one that you have just witnessed.